A black hole 10 miles wide is heading our way. At 1 million miles per hour, it's 6 months away. It will disrupt orbits within 100,000 miles. Earth's axis will shift 10 degrees. The Sun will lose 1% of its mass. Comets will be torn apart by gravity. Asteroids will be sent our way. Radiation will increase by 500%. Temperature will rise 5 degrees in 5 years. Human migration will begin. Time will slow by 1 second per year. Gravity waves will cause 10-foot tsunamis. Satellites will fall from the sky. Power grids will collapse. Days will become 25 hours long. The event horizon will grow 100 miles wide. Star formation will cease. The black hole will become our galaxy's center. We will be forever changed. Our reality will be warped. Is our existence just a cosmic event? Or a doorway to something new? The universe is full of mysteries. And we're just a small part of it. Our home, our universe, our reality. What does it all mean? A black hole reminds us of our place. Time is ticking away. The universe is waiting for us. With secrets and mysteries beyond our wildest dreams. And the journey of discovery is just beginning. The unknown is what drives us. To explore, to discover, to push beyond. The universe is full of wonder. And we're just getting started. The journey of a lifetime awaits. But it's not just about the destination. It's about the journey itself. And the time we have to explore it. The universe is a mystery. And we're just trying to understand. The infinite is what we're searching for. And the black hole is just the beginning. The universe is full of wonder. And we're just a small part of it. But what a wonderful part it is. The black hole reminds us of our place. But it's not just about the place. It's about the journey. And the journey is what makes us human. The journey of discovery. The unknown is what drives us. And the time we have to explore it. The universe is a mystery. And we're just trying to understand. But it's not just about understanding. It's about the experience. The experience of being human. And the experience of being alive.